So on this video we're going to talk about using media and images in the WordPress system. I'm going to run you through uploading new images to the system. I'm going to run you through using existing images that have been previously uploaded, embedding these into the WordPress editor in a variety of sizes, linking them to content, setting up image galleries, and using the featured image system. We're also going to look a little into using video embeds using YouTube, although I'm not going to go too much into them in that one. This is mainly about images. So I'm in the page editor of our test site here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new image. And the first place to start on that is to click on the Add Media section. Click on Add Media and it will show you firstly all the images we've currently got in our media library. But in this case we're firstly going to upload a new one. So I'm going to click on Upload Files, and it prompts us to drop files in or to upload or select files. So I'm just going to click on Select Files, and here's a few images that I've prepared earlier. So we've already got a couple of these on, so I'll just upload these two that I haven't so far. I'll stick this one on first. Click on Open, and you'll see it upload straight away. Now, one of the great things about WordPress is that it resizes your images automatically for you. You don't have to worry too much about resizing them, shaping them down like some other content management systems do. You just upload it and it automatically sets it to predetermined sizes, which are set up as part of your website design. So there's an image in place, it's ready to go, and you'll notice it now appears in the media library. So if I cancel this, I say, change my mind, I don't actually want to put an image in, and then go back, you'll see that image is still there. And that's great for when you're publishing content, because it means you can upload a whole raft of images, maybe even just upload a whole batch, and then you can cherry pick the ones that you want to put into your pages or your blog posts or your products or however you want to work. So we'll grab this image here, and the other thing you need to know about images is the image settings, which appear under attachment details here. You'll see we've got captions, alt text, descriptions. Alt text are always a good idea to put in there for usability on site. So autumn leaves. And then down here we've got display settings. We've got how the image aligns. We'll leave that center aligned. What it links to, you can link it to itself, i.e. a larger version of the media file. You can link it to a specific page, which you don't often use, or you can link it to a custom URL, like, for example, www.google.com. And finally, we can set the size of our images under here. We have options for thumbnails, medium size, large size, or full size, which is the original image we just uploaded. We'll drop a large image in here and click the blue button for Insert into Page. And straight away our image inserts into the page. I will update that to save my changes, and then I'll click on View Page, and you'll see there's our page with our image in place. So clicking back to the edit page system, I can edit my image if I like. I can shift it to the right or to the left. I'll just leave it center for the moment. If I click on the little edit thing there, I can change the link that it links to. I can maybe just remove it for this one, and click on update, and it's all good. Let's just, for the purpose of this, we'll take this out now, so we've got a blank page to start with again. In order to work with image galleries, which are another powerful built-in feature of WordPress, we'd be clicking Add Media. And instead of just selecting one of these, you'd select Create Gallery from the left hand side. And using Create Gallery, you can select any number of images. So we'll just set all these three here, and then click the button down here that says Create a New Gallery. You can put captions on if you like, but we'll just leave them blank for the moment. You can set the sizes as well, and we'll just click on Insert Gallery and see how that looks. And you'll see there we go, we've got a nice little gallery with 3 thumbnails in. I'll update the page and we'll see how that looks on our test demo site here. Click on View Page, and you'll see there's our little thumbnails. Each one of these, if I've done it right, they click through to view a larger version of the image. In actual fact, if you click on those, you'll see I've got them linking through to a page. So I'm just going to change that slightly. I'm going to edit my page, click on the gallery, click on the editor. I'll link them through to media file. And we'll make them larger while we're here, why not? Click on Update Gallery and click on Update the Page. And then when I click on View Page, I can view all the thumbnails again. Slightly overlapping here, you'll notice, because we haven't set up styles for these, but when I click on them, they should now take you through to the original image in every type. And what we'll typically do is we'll set up things like light boxes to make it a bit nicer for your users to go through each image. The last thing I want to look at here, I'll just leave this here just because we've done it now, I may as well, is embedding YouTube videos. Now, typically, if there's going to be a lot of video content or frequently integrated video content on a site, we'll usually give you a little box that you can put a YouTube address in, and it'll automatically display it where we go on the page. But sometimes you might just want to display a video on a page. Let's say we've got our little gallery here, a couple of bits of text, then let's embed a video and then have a little more text after it. So what we do is, well, first of all, we'd select a video, and in the best Blue Peter tradition, here's one that I selected earlier. And once you've got the video you want, I'll click on Share, and then underneath that, Embed. And I see it comes up with a little code here. All you need to do is copy that, Control-C, and then go back to our editor. Now, this is the important bit that people normally miss. If you paste that in, and click on Update, when you view it, all it'll do is it will show you that little code that we just put in place there. So that's no good. Obviously, we don't want that to happen. But in order to get it to actually work, it's really simple. We'll delete it from there. And then all you need to do is click through to the Text tab here. And this will actually show us the code at the back of our site. A little bit scary, but don't be scared. Honestly, it's no problem at all. You just need to paste your frame in again, and then when you click back to visual, you'll see that we've got a little tiny dot there which denotes our iframe. If I click on Update and then view the page, there we go. We've got a gallery, a little bit of text, an embedded video, and a bit more text under here. And again, it'll all work seamlessly on mobile or tablet devices, so you shouldn't need to worry about resizing.